Hello. Now, last time we are doing solid state. We have completed about 20 sums. We have completed 20 sums. Now, continuing with the remaining 136 page. Okay. 21. Hello. What is that? 21. Edge length of a face centered unit cell is 508 pm if the radius of the cation is 110. Radius of the anion is how much? In FCC. In FCC, the edge length is given as in FCC the edge length is given as 508. Edge length means A, and that is equal to 508 pm of face centered cubic structure of face centered of FCC. You are given radius of the cation as 110. That means R plus is equal to 110. What is R minus? That is the question. R plus is 110. What is R minus? Now in FCC the structure is what is the relation between edge length and radius of the particle? In FCC, what is the relation between edge length and radius of the particle? Anybody knows? What is the relation between edge length and radius of the particle? ए और आर के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है इन एफसीसी? बट इट इज एन आयोनिक कंपाउंड, या आई थिंक सो, या आयोनिक है. सो 2r cation plus 2r anion is equal to edge length. तो r plus a minus is equal to a upon 2. Therefore, r plus r minus is equal to 508 upon 2. So r plus r minus is equal to 2, 5, 6. 110 दिया है, plus minus is equal to 256. Therefore r minus is equal to 256 minus 110, and that is equal to 6, 4, 1, 146. 140 to 25, this is 4, sorry. This is 144. So this is age length. This is question number 21. Now 22. Metal crystallizes in a BCC. Metal crystallizes in a BCC lattice. Its edge length is 300 pm. Its molar mass is 50. What would be the density of the metal? What will be the density of the metal? BCC means body centered cubic structure. BCC means body centered cubic structure. You are given hmm, what is the density? Density of the unit cell is equal to, if you see, go back to the formula. Hmm. Density of the unit cell is equal to XA upon NA. लास्ट में मिलेगा XA upon NA, the mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. Okay. Is equal to mass of unit cell upon volume of unit cell. Mass of unit cell is XA upon NA upon A cube. What is X? X is number of particles per unit cell, and X is equal to 2 for BCC. A is atomic mass. In the present case, atomic mass is 50. So A is 50. Na Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. A cube. This is A cube. A cube is the volume. In BCC, in BCC, what is the relation between A and R? What is the relation between A and R? A is equal to 4 upon root 3 into R. क्वेश्चन क्या आप उनको क्या पूछा है? व्हाट वुड बी द डेंसिटी? हाँ, एज लेंथ दिया है आपको, देयर इज नो नीड. ए का वैल्यू कितना दिया है? 300 pm. 300 pm. इसका मतलब A is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 12 meter. That is 3 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. That is equal to meter into centimeter. 3 into 10 raised to minus 10 into 10 raised to centimeter, and that is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Now I have converted into centimeter because A is given in gram mole, given in gram mole. Okay, so A cube is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 the whole cube, that is equal to 27 into 10 raised to minus 24. This is A cube. अब substitute करो, density is equal to, substitute in this formula, x का वैल्यू 2 है, a का वैल्यू 50 है, अपॉन na का वैल्यू 6 into 10 raised to 23 upon a का वैल्यू 27 into 10 raised to minus 24. So that comes to 100 upon 6 into 10 raised to 23 multiply by 27 into 10 raised to minus 24. So density is equal to 100, that means 10 raised to 2 into 10 raised to minus 23 into 10 raised to plus 24 upon 6 into 27. तो ये कितना होगा? 10 raised to 3 upon 6 into 27. So that is equal to 1000 upon 6 into 27. 2 3s are 2500. 500 upon 27 into 3 81. 27 upon 3 81. So it will be answer 8 5s are 40. 8 1 5 1s are 5. 5 8s are 40. So it is 95 0 point 5 point something. 5 point something आंसर नहीं आ रहा है.
So we can take 8 6 are 48 there.
कितना किधर 8 6
Yes.
हाँ ओहो राइट मैं आई कैल राइट है 8 6 48 yes so it will be 15 now it will come 6 point something answer is 6.2 okay so next 23 answer is 6 point something 6.2 okay now 23 FCC crystal contain how many atom in each unit cell कितना होता है FCC में देखो सिंपल क्यूबिक में 1 होता है BCC में
4.
2 होता है FCC में 4 होता है 4 होता है दिस इज अ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन which solid has a weakest intermolecular forces which solid has weakest intermolecular forces now see here ice ice is a molecular solid phosphorus covalent solid
सगळे स्प्लिट एंडचे तर बाहेर यायला लागले त्यामुळे ते बरोबर बसत पण नाही.
then naphthalene covalent solid and sodium fluoride ionic solid मॉलिक्यूलर सॉलिड में सबसे वीकेस्ट फोर्स होता है राइट एंड आइस के अंदर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होता है हाई आइस कंटेन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग सो द वीकेस्ट फोर्स is in ice covalent solid is stronger ionic solid is stronger ice is a molecular solid and in molecular solid there are two types of forces London force dipole dipole moment and hydrogen bonding they are all a weak force so it is ice in cubic close packing in in cubic close packing CCP the pattern of successive layer will be ABC 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 Schottky defect is generally found in Schottky defect is generally found in so here it is ice 28 ka A 2024 का sorry 24 का A 25 का
23.
C
Yes.
and 26 Schottky defect is that likely to be present in what is Schottky defect when equal number of cations and anions are missing equal number of positive ions and negative ions are missing from the crystal Schottky defect is generally found in solid in which the
Rubber.
cationic and anionic sides are almost same cationic and anionic size are almost same so it is generally found in sodium chloride it is generally found in
25.
sodium chloride
बस अशी.
it is generally found in sodium chloride कोणाचं ऑडिओ चालू आहे बाबा कोणाचं तरी ऑडिओ चालू आहे बंद करा ऑडिओ
अशी पण छान. केस सोडायचे जर संडेला जाशील. बघू असं केलं असं असं
Harshada, audio
असं
is on.
केलं. अरे बघ.
हर्षदा बंद केलं. 26. Schottky defect is likely to be found in sodium chloride. Why? Because cationic size and anionic size is almost same. Schottky defect is generally found in solids in which cationic size is almost equal to anionic size. Okay. Next. रूम वाले चाहिए, रूम वाले वो फ्राउड है. 27. Frankel defect is generally observed in Frankel defect is generally observed in which cationic size and anionic size difference is large. Cationic size and anionic size difference is large. Cationic size and anionic size difference is large. So AGBR में difference large है, AGI में भी difference large है,
All of these.
and ZNS में भी difference large है. ये कैसे मैं समझ में आता, मुझे कैसे समझ में आता कि डिफरेंस लार्ज है? ये देखो, ये ट्रांजिशन मेटल्स है, सिल्वर, जिंक, ये सब ट्रांजिशन, इनके आयनिक साइज कम होता है, कैटायनिक साइज, एंड हैलाइड्स आर बिगर इन साइज, therefore the difference is, the answer is D is the answer. 28. As a result of Frankel defect, there is no effect on density, there is no effect on conductivity, there is no effect on dielectric constant, there is no effect on all of the above. In Frankel defect, in Frankel defect, the the cations or the anions leave their original position and occupy interstitial space. यानी क्लास में समझो 50 बच्चे हैं, and there are 25 benches, and on each bench there are two students. That means for 25 into 2, 50 students. But on some benches there are 3 students. एक बच्चा अपना पोजीशन, 3 बच्चा अपना पोजीशन छोड़कर अलग अलग जगह पर बैठ जाते हैं. That means number of particles are same, but they have changed the position. तो Frankel defect में यही होता है. The number of particles remain same, but they leave their position and occupy some other space. This is the Frankel defect. और Schottky में क्या होता है? Number of particles are missing. That means जितना कैटायन मिस होता है उतना ही एनायन नहीं रहता. बट फ्रैंकल में कैटायन और एनायन अपने जगह छोड़कर कहीं और बीच में कहीं जाके बैठ जाता है. That means the number of particles remain same, mass remains same. If the mass remains same, density remains same. There is no change in the density. Frankel में, Schottky में density decreases, so there is no change in the density. There is no effect on density. So A is the answer. 29. Thallium chloride is crystallized either in simple cubic or phase as thallium plus in the holes. If the density of the solid is 9, edge length is, what is the unit cell geometry? What is the unit cell geometry? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. Thallium chloride has which structure? Simple cubic or FCC? डेंसिटी दिया आपको, कितना है? 9. एंड एज लेंथ भी दिया है, ए कितना है? 385 इंटू 10⁻⁻8 सेंटीमीटर. अभी आपको पूछना है व्हाट इज द यूनिट सेल ज्योमेट्री, यानी इट इज सिंपल क्यूबिक और एफसीसी. तो डेंसिटी का फॉर्मूला क्या है? एक्स ए अपॉन एन ए अपॉन ए क्यूब. एक्स ए अपॉन एन ए अपॉन ए क्यूब. Okay. So if you find the value of x, if x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, then it will be simple cubic. If x is equal to 4, then it will be FCC. तो हमको खाली x का वैल्यू निकालना है. And if you know the x का value, then you can find out what is the geometry of the, what is the geometry of this. Okay. So how to find out the geometry? But आपको कुछ चीजें नहीं दिया गया होगा, that you are not given the molecular weight, molecular mass. You are not given the molecular mass. Molecular mass देना चाहिए था. It is not given to you. Density किस में दिया गया? ग्राम पर cm क्यूब. That is also okay. तो कैसा करेगा? You must get A. A is equal to molar mass of thallium chloride. Thallium का atomic number plus chlorine का atomic mass number. Thallium is around about 204. Chlorine is 35.5. So that comes to 239.5. Okay. Then density कितना है? 9. X नहीं मालूम, A मालूम है 239.5. Na मालूम है कितना है? 6 इंटू 10⁻23. A मालूम है, A क्यूब, स्मॉल A क्यूब मालूम है, that is 3.85 into 10⁻⁻8 the whole cube. So that is equal to x into 239. X is equal to 239, या मैं मेकता हूँ 240 करता हूँ, अपॉन 6 into 385 the whole cube into 10 raised to minus 24 into 10 raised to 23, and this is 9. 6 ones are 6 fours are 40. So that is equal to 9 is equal to x into 40 upon 3.85 the whole cube into 10 raised to minus 1. So 9 into x into 400 upon 3.85 the whole cube. Yes. So what will be the answer? What is a 4 cube? 64. 3 cube 27. So इन दोनों के बीच में ये आंसर होगा, and very close to 64. So I am taking it as x into 400 upon, I am taking as 50. So 0 0 cancel, 5 8s are, therefore x is equal to 9 upon 8, that is 1 point something. 9 ones are 9, 8 ones are 8, 1 carry 0, 1.1. So answer is 1. X is 1. X is 1, therefore it is simple cubic. Okay? X is 1, it is simple cubic. Okay? So it is simple cubic. Next, question number 30. Silver crystallizes in a face-centered cubic unit cell. Density is 10.5. Edge length of the unit cell is 4.09 into 10 raised to minus x. Value of x, और वाह बहुत easy sum दिया. चले. So you are given a density of silver. How much? 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. Unit cell, that means A, is equal to 4.09 into 10 raised to minus x, and you have to find out x. It is कौन सा structure है? FCC. Therefore density is equal to XA upon NA divided by A cube. Density कितना है? 10.5. What is x? X is 4 because it is FCC. X is 4 because it is FCC. What is mass of silver? 108. Mass of silver is that is a is equal to 107.9 ऐसा कुछ है, so it is 108, so it is 108 upon 6 into 10 raised to 23 into 4.09 into 10 raised to minus x. 4.09 into 10 raised to minus x. कुछ कट हो सकता है? What is x? Anything cutting? If you go for rounding, 4 ones are 4 ones are, 2 threes are, or 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 six are 18, 2 ones are, 2 18s are. So it will be 10 raised to 23 into 10 raised to minus x is equal to 18 upon 10.5. 18 upon 10.5. So what will be the question answer here now? 10 raised to minus x is equal to sorry ऐसा डिफिकल्ट होगा. We'll take this. Density कितनी है? Density is how much? 10.5. This is x is 4. This is 108, and this is 6 into 10 raised to 24, 3 into a cube. So a cube is equal to 4 into 10 raised to 8 upon 6 into 10 raised to 23 into 110.5. 6 ones are 6 ones are 4 ones are 4. Then it is 4 into 180 into 10 raised to minus 23 upon 105. ये पॉइंट निकाल दिया मैं. नाउ 6 का टेबल जाएगा. 6 थ्रीज आ 0, 6 ones आ 4 कैरी नहीं जाता, 6 ones आ नहीं जाता. 4 into 18 into 10 raised to minus 23 upon 110.5. So this will be 72 upon 10.5 into 10 raised to minus 23. So that is equal to 720 upon 105 into 10 raised to 23. So 720 divided by 105, 6 times, 6 5s are 30, 6 ones are 6. 11 minus 3, 8, 0. Point. then 7 times 7 5 are 35. uh, 7 5 are 35, 7 ones are 7. So this is 65, 0. And this will be KTL 5 times 5 5 are 25, 5 ones are 5. 2, 1. No, it will be 6 times वापस. So it is 6.76 into 10 raised to minus 23, and that is a cube. Right? A cube का value तुमको दिया है. एक a is given, I think so. A is given, or what is given? A दिया है कि नहीं? Edge length 4.9, yes. 4.09 into 10 raised to minus x. Into 10 raised to minus 23 minus x whole cube. तो कैसे आएगा? If you cube this, 4 का cube 64 आएगा something, into 10 raised to minus x the whole cube is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 23. So 64 into 10 raised to minus x the whole cube is equal to 67.6 into 10 raised to minus 24. So x का value is minus 24. X का value is, no, sorry, minus 3x is equal to minus 24. So x का value is 8. X का value is 8. Okay. Next, 31. 31. Metal has FCC lattice. Edge length of the unit cell is 104. Density of the metal is 2 point. The molar mass of the metal is how much? वही मेथड है. Density is equal to x into molar mass upon Na into a cube. X का वैल्यू 4 है because it is FCC. Edge length A is equal to 404 pm. That is equal to 404 into 10 raised to minus 12 m. That is equal to 4.04 into 10 raised to minus 10 m. That is equal to 4.04 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter. Okay. You are given density. Density is equal to 2.72 gram per centimeter cube. So 2.72 equal to x. X का वैल्यू 4, a निकालना है, अपॉन 6 into 10 raised to 23 into 4.04 into 10 raised to minus 8 the whole cube. Two point seven 2.72 sorry मैं 27 लिखा 2.72 into 4 into a upon 6 into 10 raised to 23 इसका 4 का क्यूब करना पड़ेगा 4.4 का क्यूब it will be 64 point something 4 4s are 16 sorry it is 65.9 65.9 into 10 raised to minus 24 so 2.72 into 6 into 10 raised to 23 into 65.9 into 10 raised to minus 24 upon 4 is equal to a. So this will be 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 1s are 2 1.36 so 1.36 into 3 into 66 round figure into 10 raised to minus 1 is equal to a. So 1.36 into 6 3s are 18 6 3s are 18 198 into 10 raised to minus 1 is equal to a. So this is 1.36 into 19.8 is equal to a. One point 36 multiplied by 19.8 26.9 that is 27 answer 26.9 that is 27. So answer is 27 that is 31 ka a. Okay. The correct order of packing efficiency in different unit cell. Correct order of packing in different unit cell. देखो सिंपल क्यूबिक में कितना है 54 या 53 बीसीसी में 68 एंड एफसीसी में 74 74 यस तो उसके हिसाब से अरेंज करो क्या होगा आंसर FCC more than BCC more than simple cubic. FCC is more than BCC, BCC is more than simple cubic. Answer is B. For 32 का B answer. Next, in cubic close packing, the unit cell has FCC, cubic close CCP का मतलब FCC. Unit cell has four tetrahedral voids, each of which is shared by four adjacent unit cells. Four tetrahedral void within the unit cell. Eight tetrahedral void of which is shared by four adjacent. Eight tetrahedral void within the unit cell. कौन सा है? देखो, FCC में कितने पार्टिकल्स हैं? 4 particles. These 4 particles are within the unit cell. Within the unit cell. तो 4 पार्टिकल है तो 8 टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स होंगे. Tetrahedral voids are double the number of particles, and there will be 4 octahedral voids. OC, OV. तो FCC में 4 पार्टिकल है तो 8 टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड होंगे और वो पार्टिकल यूनिट सेल के अंदर होंगे. So it is 8 tetrahedral void within the unit cell. Because 4 particle FCC में and they are within the cell, therefore number of tetrahedral voids will be 8 and they will be within the cell. So it is answer is D. Next. The edge length of a unit cell in terms of radius of the sphere constituting FCC, BCC and simple cubic are respectively how much? एज लेंथ एंड इट मींस ए एंड आर के बीच में रिलेशन क्या है? व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन ए एंड आर इन एफसीसी, बीसीसी एंड सिंपल क्यूबिक? देखो, सिंपल क्यूबिक में अभी सबका याद नहीं रहता है. सिंपल क्यूबिक में ए इज इक्वल टू 2r. ए इज इक्वल टू 2r. इन सिंपल क्यूबिक में ए इज इक्वल टू 2r. तो ये 4 आंसर में से ए 2 जगह पर ए इज इक्वल टू 2r दिखता है, दैट इज ए एंड बी. तो 50-50 either A or B is the answer. Now BCC का याद है क्या? BCC is equal to 4r upon root 3. BCC is equal to 4r upon root 3. So it is root 3. खाली BCC में root 3 आता है और FCC में root 2 आता है. Okay? FCC में root 2 आता है और BCC याद नहीं रहेगा तो भी ऐसा याद रखने का. BCC में root 3 आता है एंड FCC में root 2 आता है. तो FCC में root 2, पहले हमने ये निकाला A and B, either A or B, because A is equal to 2r. Then FCC is number 1, that means to root 2 first में होगा. So it is A is the answer. A is the answer. (34A). Okay. Next. 35. In which of the following coordination number for cation and anion packed structure will be 6? Coordination number of cation and anion will be packed structure 6. Chloride ion form FCC lattice, and sodium ion occupy all octahedral voids. Calcium ion form FCC, and fluoride ion will occupy all 8 octahedral voids. Chloride ion form FCC. Chloride ion form FCC. सोडियम क्लोराइड में FCC स्ट्रक्चर होता है कि कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर होता है? सोडियम क्लोराइड में कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर होता है? सोडियम क्लोराइड में FCC स्ट्रक्चर होता है. Okay, so FCC structure means there will be 4 chloride ion. There will be 4 chloride ion, and sodium will occupy all octahedral voids. Okay, so answer is A, and the coordination number उसमें 6 है. They have coordination number 6. Sodium chloride में coordination number 6 is there. So which will be the pack structure will have coordination number 6. So it is A answer. Now next, in cubic pack structure of mixed oxide, lattice is made up of oxides ion. 1/5 of the tetrahedral. 1/5 of the tetrahedral voids are occupied by divalent ion, while 1/2 of the octahedral voids are occupied by trivalent ion. The formula of the oxide is very different type of question. Where is that pen gone? 36. 35 का A. 36. Cubic close pack structure. It means FCC. It means 4 particles per unit cell. Lattice is made up of oxide ion. That means oxide ion are the particles. Oxides ion are the lattice is made up of oxide ion. That means lattice particle. Oxide ion are lattice. That means there are 4 particles. Okay, how many particle? 4 O minus particles. Now 4 O minus particle means there are 4 octahedral voids. Number of octahedral voids are equal to number of particles, and there are 8 tetrahedral voids. अब वो क्या बोल रहा है? It is a mixed oxide. Mixed oxide means it is an oxide in which metal have different valencies. Example, oxide consisting of FeO and Fe2O3. ये मिक्स ऑक्साइड है. FeO में Fe की वैलेंसी +2 है और Fe इसमें Fe की वैलेंसी +3 है. दोनों ऑक्साइड है, दोनों एक साथ है, इसलिए मिक्स ऑक्साइड बोले. I just give an example. So यहाँ पर ऑक्साइड है, there are 4 O minus particle. वो कैसे मिला? हमें मिला, it is said it is cubic close packed structure and their O minus are occupying the lattice. तो जरा 4 पार्टिकल है, 4 पार्टिकल है तो 4 ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स है और 8 टेट्राहेड्रल वॉइड्स है. 1/5 of the tetrahedral voids are occupied by X plus 2 ion. So number of X plus 2 ion is equal to 1/5 of 8. 1/5 of 8. Okay, that is equal to 8 upon 5. Number of X plus 3 ions, they are no, X plus 3, Y plus 3 ion, sorry, Y plus 3 ion are कितना है? Half of the octahedral voids. Half of octahedral voids. So half of 4. Octahedral voids are 4. So that is equal to 2. Okay. तो अब देखेंगे x2 y plus 3 and O minus 4. x plus 2 कितना है? 8 upon 5. y is 2. Oxygen is 4. So how you will get a formula? Multiply by 5. Multiply by 5. So this will be how much? 4, 4, 8, 10, 20. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. 4, 5, 10. So it is x4, y5 and O10. x4, y5 and O10. This is how we get it. So this is a formula of the mixed oxide. Okay. So ये हो गया. Now next, a compound 37. A compound AB has a rock salt type with A is to B 1:1. Formula weight of AB is 6.023 y gram. The closest AB distance is y by 3. If the observed density of the lattice is found to be 20, the density of the lattice is how much? A formula of a rock salt is AAB. Formula weight. Formula weight का मतलब क्या? Formula weight means number of molecule in one unit cell. Formula weight means number of molecule in one unit cell. तो formula weight कितना है? 6.023 into y. The closest A distance is y upon y raised to 1 by 3. If the observed density of the lattice is 2, the density of the lattice is how much? 37. चले कर सकते हैं. रॉक सॉल्ट, रॉक सॉल्ट का मतलब सोडियम क्लोराइड. And sodium chloride has FCC structure. Right? FCC structure. So Z is equal to how much? 4. Edge length in FCC is equal to 2 times R plus and R minus. वो पहला इसम हमने किया. तो edge length is this, R plus and R minus. Okay, A is equal to 2R plus R minus. Now what is R plus R minus? Is a distance between A and B. This is the distance between A and B. The closest distance A and B is y is to 3. So this is equal to 2 into y raised to 1 by 3 nm. A is equal to FCC के लिए A is equal to 2R plus 2R minus यानी cation plus anion radius. So 2 को कॉमन निकाला. So 2 into y is because R plus radius of the cation and the radius of the anion is the distance between A and B. ऐसा. If this is the cation and this is the anion and this is the R plus and this is R minus, so ये distance उन्होंने दिया है AB and that is equal to how much? Y raised to 1 by 3 nm. So this will be 2 into y by 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter. Minus 9 meter. Why? Nanometer. N का मतलब nano. N means nano. And nano means 10 raised to minus 9. So this is A. Now what is given there? Density is equal to this. You have to find out the density. Density is equal to नाक बंद झाले पूर्ण. Density is equal to Z A upon NA into A cube. Z is 4. What is A? What is A? Molecular mass. Molecular mass is how much? It can be a
6.022
what is the molecular mass?
6.025
Huh?
6.025 grams.
6.025 दिले.
23
Yes,
by
6.023 y.
yes sir.
6.023 y. What is Na? 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. A is what? Y into 2 into y minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 the whole cube. This is A वाली. Okay, so इसका क्या होगा? 6.03 6.03 cancel. 4 into y upon 10 raised to 23 into 2 cube 8 y into 10 raised to minus 27. Y cut, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So this will be 1 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. So that is equal to 10 raised to 4 upon 2. 10 raised to 4 upon 2, that is equal to
5,000.
5000 gram per meter cube. So it will be 5
5 kilogram.
kg per meter cube, because you have taken the mass in gram. This is in gram, right? ये तो मीटर क्यूब में लिया हूँ. This one I have taken in meter cube. So it is 5 gram per meter cube. So it will be 5. So density is 5. Okay. Number of tetrahedral void in FCC unit cell. कितना FCC unit cell में कितना particles होता है? 4. The number of tetrahedral voids are 2 times the number of particles. 8. Answer is 8. Number of tetrahedral voids are double the number of particles. So FCC में 4 particle होता है, तो number of tetrahedral voids will be 8 and number of octahedral voids will be 4. जितना particle उतना octahedral void, जितना particle उसका double tetrahedral voids. So 38. 38 का आंसर B. 39. Which kind of defect is introduced by doping? Doping. What is doping?
Adding of impurities.
Adding of impurity. उसमें किस में होता है? Semiconductors में होता है ना?
Yes.
We get P type semiconductor and we get N type of semiconductor. So which type of doping introduced? Dislocation? No. Schottky defect? No. Frankel defect? No. Electronic defect. It is an electronic defect. It is regarding conductivity. You get N-type semiconductor or you get P-type semiconductor. So it is an electronic defect. Which of the following condition favors the existence of a substance in a solid state? Which of the substance favors the existence of a substance in a solid state? हाई टेम्परेचर पर सब्सटेंस सॉलिड स्टेट में नहीं हो सकता, वो मेल्ट होगा. लो टेम्परेचर पर है सब्सटेंस इन द सॉलिड स्टेट. हाई थर्मल एनर्जी, वो भी नहीं. थर्मल एनर्जी ज्यादा रहेगा तो सब्सटेंस विल बी इन द मॉल्टन फॉर्म. वीक कोहेसिव फोर्स, वीक कोहेसिव फोर्स इज देयर इन द गैसेस. सॉलिड स्टेट में स्ट्रॉन्ग कोहेसिव फोर्स होता है, लिक्विड में मॉडरेट कोहेसिव फोर्स होता है एंड गैसेस में वीक कोहेसिव फोर्स होता है. सो हियर द फेवर कंडीशन इज लो टेम्परेचर. सो 40 का बी आंसर. 41. AB crystallizes in a body centered cubic lattice with edge length 387. Distance between two opposite charge in lattice is how much? AB crystallizes in body-centered cubic lattice with edge line 387. तो BCC में क्या रिलेशन है? R is equal to √3/4 into A. R is equal to √3/4 into A. √3/2 into A. तो क्या आएगा? A का एज लेंथ दिया है, distance between two oppositely charged ion in the lattice, that we have to find out the A. Distance between two oppositely charged ion in the lattice. You will get radius. So R is equal to √3/4 into edge length. Edge length कितनी दिया है? 387. So this will be 4 ones are 4 nines are, sorry, 4 ones are 4 nines are 36, 2 carry, 4 6 are 24, 3 carry, 4 sevens are 28, and 4 fives are 20. So √3 into 96.75, and √3 का value 1.732 into 96.5, 96.75. So if you calculate, it will be 1.732 multiplied by 96.75, so it comes to 167.5. This is the radius of the cation. Radius of the anion, and though 2r, that is the distance between them, and that is equal to 2 into 167.5 multiplied by 2, so we'll get 335. Answer is 335. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा है? व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू अपोजिटली चार्ज आयन? तो हमको आर ही मिला, खाली एक ही रेडियस मिला. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू पार्टिकल इज 2r, so double of that. 42. Tetrahedral void in a crystal implies that shape of the void is tetrahedral. Molecule forming voids are tetrahedral. Void is surrounded tetrahedrally by 4 particles. Void is surrounded by 6. Void is surrounded by 4 particles. Next, 43. So 42 ka C. 43. Which of the following does not show ferrimagnetism? Sorry, ferrimagnetism. Ferrimagnetism. What is ferrimagnetism? ये तुम्हारे सिलेबस टेक्स्ट बुक में तो नहीं है. Ferrimagnetism. Ferrimagnetism means मैं तुम्हें इससे बताता हूँ व्हाट इज फेरी मैग्नेटिज्म, फेरोमैग्नेटिज्म एंड एंटी फेरोमैग्नेटिज्म. ये फेरो एंड एंटी फेरोमैग्नेटिज्म. Ferromagnetism is presence of unpaired electron. फेरोमैग्नेटिज्म में सब अनपेयर एक ही स्पिन में होगा. एंटी में एक ऑपोजिट ऐसा होगा, एंटी फेरोमैग्नेटिज्म. एंड फेरी में एक आध एंटी होगा, एक एक आध ऐसा एंटी होगा, बाकी सब एक ही स्पिन में होगा. सो विच ऑफ देम you will have this, which of एंटी फेरो. तो MnO ये कंपाउंड ऐसा है, इट हैज एन एंटी फेरोमैग्नेटिज्म. MnO. So MnO does not show ferrimagnetism. MnO shows anti ferromagnetism. Unit cell with dimension alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90, and A is equal to B is not equal to C is equal to what? Tetragonal. Tetragonal. Experimentally, it is found that metal oxide has formula M.28. M is present as M plus 2 and M plus 3 in oxide. Fraction of metal which exists as M plus 3 would be how much? Fraction of M plus 3. That means it is a mixed fraction, a mixed oxide. फॉर्मूला क्या है? M 0.98 into O. That means M is M plus 3 फॉर्म में भी है and M plus 2 फॉर्म में भी है. You have to find out fraction of M plus 3. Let the fraction of M plus 3 be X. Therefore, fraction of M plus 2 will be 0.98 minus X. Okay, 0.98 minus X. No, 3 into X plus 2 into minus 9 to minus X, there will be two particles. So 3X plus 6, 1.96 minus 2X is equal to 2. So it will be X is equal to 2 minus 1.96. So that is equal to 0.04. X is equal to 0.04. So percentage of M plus 3 is equal to 0.04 upon 0.98 into 100. So that is equal to 400 upon 0.98. 400 upon 0.98. Sorry, 400 बोलता 4 upon 0.98. that is 400 upon 98. So 98 will be going 3 times something. It is 4 point, it will be 4 point something, 4 point something. So answer is 4.08, 45 का C. चलो. So with this we have completed solid state. Now next time I'll start with, today I'm leaving you, थोड़ा सा मेरा नाक फ्लो नेक नोज फ्लोइंग है. So next time I'll be starting with your new chapter, and possibly I'll take surface chemistry. I'll be taking surface chemistry. फिर कितना चैप्टर बाकी रहेगा, एक दो, थर्मोडायनेमिक्स तो हो गया, इक्विलिब्रियम भी हो गया, एक दो तीन चार पाँच छः, छः चैप्टर बाकी रहेगा मेरे अंडर में. ओके, ओके देन आई लिविंग टुडे.